In our Spotlight on Business report tonight, American Dream Mall is facing possible legal consequences after flouting Bergen County's blue laws. Leaders in Paramus say they're planning to sue the owners of the megamall after confirming its retail stores have been open to shoppers on Sundays for nearly a year, defying the centuries-old law that all other malls and retail shops within the county have strictly followed. Ted Goldberg has the latest.
Bergen County's blue laws are older than the United States of America. But for more than a year, American Dream Mall has defied those laws by allowing retail shopping on Sundays.
I didn't realize we were in Bergen County, but now I understand why there's a lot of signs here that say open 7 days a week.
It's kind of like, hey, we don't care. That's not the right way to go about things. If you want change, we go through it through governing bodies, through lobbying.
Paramus Mayor Christopher DiPiazza is threatening to sue the megamall, saying other Bergen County businesses are losing business by following the law.
You're putting the businesses that for decades that have all been in it together at a disadvantage, an unfair disadvantage.
DiPiazza has praised the blue laws for giving locals a break from traffic.
Having that Sunday where there's just that extra peace and quiet, the roads are a little bit more empty, gives our emergency services, there's less calls, less volume of calls, gives them that data regroup, kind of gives everybody that data regroup. It's part of our way of life.
American Dream does not operate these retail stores when MetLife Stadium hosts NFL games, and they've argued that they're exempt from county laws because the land is state-owned. The potential lawsuit has sparked a larger discussion about blue laws in general.
The time is long overdue to repeal the blue laws. They're archaic, they're absurd.
John Holub leads the New Jersey Retail Merchants Association, and he believes American Dream would win a lawsuit against other municipalities in Bergen County.
More power to American Dream. I think it's the right interpretation of the law. I think they're doing the right thing. And quite honestly, I don't think Bergen County has a leg to stand on.
The other malls in Bergen County want no part of this beef over blue laws. Garden State Plaza told us in a statement that they have created unique ways for our guests to enjoy our property on Sundays while complying with both the county and borough regulations. Paramus has the support of County Executive Jim Tedesco, who told us that American Dream's disregard of the state statute is deeply concerning, and its violation gives American Dream Mall tenants an unfair advantage over all other Bergen County businesses lawfully complying with state law.
Protecting the business community is also protecting our residents, not just their way of life, but also their pocket. Once the businesses in Paramus are at disadvantage, when other businesses are going against the current law, then that's not fair.
Some folks, like North Arlington Mayor Daniel Pronti, say a law should be passed allowing each municipality to vote on blue laws. Technically, blue laws are existing state law, but each county has opted out of them, except, of course, for Bergen County. The landlord for American Dream, the New Jersey Sports and Exposition Authority, declined our request for interview, but has argued in court that they are not an enforcement body responsible for policing state statutes.
If the county has a rule saying you have to close, they make the rules. Vote for other people.
Shoppers I spoke with were of two minds about this.
I like having peace and quiet, that's good. However, if somebody needs something, then you need to have a store.
Everybody's working, trying to make ends meet, has family, that it's really unrealistic to have stores closed on Sundays when that's one of 2 days that they may have to shop.
I think there's pros and cons to it, right? But I would say if, that's something that you have a problem with, definitely don't move to Bergen County.
If the state doesn't pass a law allowing municipalities to decide, the state could overturn blue laws entirely, which is unlikely. They could also be thrown out from a ballot referendum, but previous referendum efforts have gone down in flames. All of those scenarios are unlikely, so a legal showdown could be inevitable. In Bergen County, I'm Ted Goldberg, NJ Spotlight News.